Overview of the 2025 Mitsubishi model. The 2025 Mitsubishi lineup is all about blending innovative performance with striking design and eco-conscious technology. With an emphasis on sleek, modern aesthetics, dynamic driving experience, and cutting-edge efficiency, this model sets a new standard for what's possible in the world of automotive engineering. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mitsubishi packs a punch with advanced engine technology that delivers both power and precision. Whether you're looking for responsive acceleration on city streets or smooth cruising on highways, the performance is engineered for a seamless driving experience. Enhanced suspension systems, paired with intelligent all-wheel drive options, ensure you have the confidence to handle a variety of road conditions. Exterior design. The 2025 Mitsubishi boasts a bold, aerodynamic exterior that turns heads from every angle. With sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and sleek LED lighting, the design strikes a balance between sophistication and power. Each curve and contour has been crafted for maximum style and efficiency, offering an unmistakable presence on the road. Interior design. Inside, the 2025 Mitsubishi is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. The cabin features premium materials, smart layouts, and intuitive tech interfaces that keep you connected and comfortable. The spacious interior is perfect for both daily commutes and long road trips, with ample storage and an ergonomic design that makes every journey feel luxurious. Fuel efficiency. Mitsubishi continues to push the boundaries of sustainability with exceptional fuel efficiency. The 2025 model integrates hybrid and electric options, allowing drivers to enjoy an eco-friendly ride without sacrificing performance. Whether you're navigating city traffic or embarking on a cross-country drive, you'll appreciate the reduced fuel consumption and fewer emissions, all while enjoying a smooth, powerful performance. Outro. In conclusion, the 2025 Mitsubishi is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, style, and sustainability. It's a vehicle designed for drivers who want it all: superior performance, a stunning exterior, a comfortable interior, and impressive fuel efficiency. Step into the future of driving with the 2025 Mitsubishi, where every detail is crafted to elevate your experience.